Guangdong Bunge Building Material Industrial Company Limited has over 14 years of experience in manufacturing movable partition walls, office glass partitions, and toilet partition cubicles. Our movable partition walls are designed with a ceiling track-only system, making them easy to operate without causing damage to floors or carpets. These partitions are suitable for flexible spaces such as conference rooms, hotels, exhibition halls, schools, restaurants, and other areas where space reconfiguration is needed. We also offer office glass partitions, which create open, flexible, modern office environments while ensuring effective sound insulation. These partitions are ideal for dividing workspaces, creating private offices, or structuring open-plan offices to support both collaboration and privacy. Additionally, the toilet partition cubicles are made to provide privacy and durability, making them well-suited for use in public restrooms, schools, hospitals, office building, shopping mall, and commercial properties where long-lasting solutions are required. With a factory covering over 1,900 square meters and is equipped with advanced production technologies, enabling us to provide tailored solutions that meet the specific needs of each client. From product customization to shipping, installation, and ongoing maintenance, our team ensures responsive service throughout the entire process. We are trusted by clients in regions such as the USA, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and many other countries. Partnering with Bunge means that you are choosing reliability, innovation, and excellence. We warmly welcome your cooperation in the coming future.